Hi there, and welcome to Wexford Lakes. I'm one of your leasing consultants at Casto. My name's Taylor. Today we're going to take a tour of our 2-bed, 1-bathroom, 940 square foot garden style apartment. Let's take a look. Let's start in our entryway. As soon as you walk in, you're going to have a nice sized coat closet. This will then lead you to a very open living room with a lake view. All of our 2-bedroom garden style apartments have a lake view here. And then a dining room onto your kitchen. The kitchen will come appliance with a stove, oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and a dual sink. Please take note of all of that cabinetry space as well. In the hall, you will have your linen closet here, HVAC closet there, and a washer and dryer hookup right there. This now takes us to our shower tub combo bathroom with a double vanity and plenty of storage. The bathroom is also connected to the master bedroom, which we will visit last. In the first bedroom, you could transform this into an office, study, or obviously still a bedroom with a double or queen set. You also have a standard closet here. And last but not least, our master bedroom. This master is holding a queen set right now, but could easily fit a king, and a nice size closet here as well. Thank you so much for taking a tour with us here at Wexford Lakes. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the office. We can't wait to get you all moved in.